So I can go outside just for a second and get a breath of fresh air.
Yeah.
Thanks, boss.
It's not even 6 o'clock.
Oh my God, it's the hay dust. I need some air from the hay dust.
Where are you going? You're not leaving already, are you?
I'm just going to get some water.
I bet you water.
Okay, so Gene has a dipper. I don't know if you noticed he dips cows.
Right, got it.
I don't like the dipper because it gets my hands dirty. So I use white.
Okay, so we don't dip, we wipe.
I white.
Okay, we
Right.
wipe.
Oh, so you gotta kind of help her get along and start. And then after you do that, you take this antibacterial wipe and you can crouch down if you want. And you wipe them. What we do is we just observe the cows.
Okay, and what am I looking for? Other than them being cows?
Sniffing each other's
The ones that want to do it.
What just happened?
Right there! Oh, you're missing it!
So what just happened is the cow jumping smells that she's probably in heat.
Okay.
So usually what you're looking for is the cow we call it
I
standing.
know, but that one was bucking down there.
It was just being rambunctious.
Okay, I know you're an expert on this already.
She is a quick study though.
Well, when I don't know what I'm doing, I make sure to pay attention to those that do. Right. I mean, this is your livelihood. The last thing I want to do is, destroy
Not much of a livelihood, I'll tell you.
I know, I've heard.
It's bad.
And it's not getting any better, is it?
No.
Okay.
They are. That's exactly what they do. When it's snowing outside, if it's snowing in the morning and we let them out, you ought to see them. They run and leap and kick like they're little tiny heifers.
Snowflakes.
They love the snow. Okay, let's sing to her.
Do we have to sing?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
How old are you?
Happy birthday.
4!
I'm 4. Happy birthday to you.
Mentally.
Mentally, yeah.
I believe that.
Yes.
Physically, today, I'm 84. Thank you. This is so kind. I'm supposed to help you and you do this for me. That's so nice. Thank you.